Manchester United are in turmoil. They've gotten off to a really bad start this season. They currently sit bottom of the league, albeit we're only 2 match weeks in. But the fans want the owners out. The fans have had unrest with the owners for a while now. It has more to do with just then how this season started. But the Glazer family, the owners of Manchester United, the rumor is, are starting to listen to offers for the club, starting to understand that they may have to sell the club. Now, unfortunately, I don't have enough free capital sitting around to go buy Manchester United, but Manchester United is a publicly traded company on the New York Stock Exchange, so we can all go buy shares of it. If we think some rich whale is going to step in and buy the club, we can all be a part of that process, do the retail dream of holding on to the coattails of the rich whales as they pool our shares around, right? So what we're going to talk about today is the current valuation of Manchester United, the future valuation of Manchester United, and where I think the stock can go dependent on a couple of different outcomes. So hit the like button if you're excited for it. Hit the red subscribe button if you're new. Make sure you don't miss out on any other stock related videos. So Manchester United owners, the Glazer family, are looking to sell. That is the current rumor, looking to sell. The stock is actually already gone from 10.40 to 14. Now, let's start here. I do have a position in Man U. I came up with this thesis, so I went ahead and entered 75 shares, $1,000 position, nothing crazy. It's a bit of a lotto play. I'm not sure this is going to happen. Whenever I make a video like this, they're always kind of lotto plays. I'm not saying this is going to happen. Of course, I'm never saying anything's going to happen, but took a $1,000 position in Manchester United this morning at 13.75, but it already has made a decent little move off of the bottom. But my thesis, my largest thesis is that no matter what, Manchester United is going to keep getting buyout rumors. They are one of the biggest sports clubs in the world. The media is going to be all over this. Whether the buyout ends up happening, whether the Glazers are even looking to sell for the next couple of weeks, for the next couple of months, my thesis is that the rumors are going to continue to fly. And as we all know, buy the rumor, sell the news, right? I am buying the rumor. I think rumors will keep flying, and I think no matter what, that's going to continue to shove the stock up. I'm looking at a sell point around $18 just off of rumors. If nothing happens, if there's no transactions, if the minority shares aren't sold, if an entire takeover of the club isn't complete, I'm looking at a sell point of $18 for the shares that I currently own, just on the rumors that the media is going to keep flying around and they're just going to keep spiraling larger as this saga continues. That is my first thesis. That's my first kind of sell point. If in a month nothing's happened and we're trading at 18, I'll most likely end up selling the shares that I have. Once again, it's a $1,000 position, but I'll make, I think at 18, I'd be up around $400, give or take. I haven't done the exact math on that, but a quick $400 on a little lotto play where I think Manchester United could go. I certainly wouldn't complain about that. But now, past the rumors, what if the sale actually happens while I hold the stock? Of course, that would be even better. You get the news. That would be even better. Let's go ahead and take a look at what Manchester United is currently valued at. According to Forbes, Manchester United is the third highest value football club, soccer club. Don't yell at me. Whatever. I'm going to call it soccer. I'm an American. They're the third biggest soccer club in the world. They have a $4.6 billion valuation. Easy peasy. That's what they're currently worth according to Forbes as of May 2022. That was only 3 months ago. That's what they're worth right about right now according to Forbes. As they're a publicly traded stock, we can come look at their market cap. They're currently trading as a $2.29 billion company. They're currently trading 50% under what they're valued. If a buyout were to occur just at what they're valued on Forbes, that's 100% up from where they're currently trading. That's $28 if they get a full club takeover at the valuation that Forbes gives. And as you all may or may not know, companies don't tend to just get bought out at what they're worth, because it's what would really be the point of the company selling unless they really wanted to get out of the business. Companies usually look to upsell. And if we go ahead and click this article, now, I don't know, opoi.com. I'm not going to sit here and brag on the legitimacy of this website at all because I don't really know who they are, but they are saying that the Glazers are considering a Manchester United sale with a $6 billion potential price. That is nearly 3x where Manchester United is currently trading. Then we're looking at like what's 3x? It's like 32. We're looking at like 31 or the 30, anything above 30 if it does sell at a $6 billion valuation. Understand that if a company sells at a valuation, the stock is going to go right up to about that valuation, maybe slightly under, just to build in some risk of the sale falling through. But that's what happens when a company gets bought out. The stock market no longer has to guess what the company's worth. The stock market now knows exactly what a company's worth. It's where worth is decided by what someone's willing to pay for something, right? That's how the worth of anything's decided. So if somebody decides to pay $6 billion for Manchester United, that's where the value of the shares are going to go, slightly under. So up around $30, $29 would be the assumption if they do sell for around $6 billion. Now, once again, whether or not that happens, I'm still bullish on this stock because of the rumors. What I will do if that does happen is buy the rumor, sell the news, right? If while I'm holding this stock before it hits 18 or within the next couple of months, the buyout does occur, I will be selling that morning. I would assume a giant run up on that morning. And then honestly, I would assume a pullback. I would assume a pullback kind of back to closer towards the valuation that they were sort of trading at before, around the mid to low 20s. I would, if they do ramp, if this is a big if, once again, this is a lotto play. I took a $1,000 position. I'm not at all promising or saying this is going to happen. Not at all. But if it does, I will be selling that morning. Buy the rumor, sell the news, because I would see it coming back down after that. So that's my thesis. Once again, let's go over the two scenarios, right? Nothing happens. The sellout, it doesn't really, nothing. Well, let's actually go over three. Let's go over the first one that I didn't touch on yet. The Glazers come out tomorrow and they say, we're not selling. No, that's all BS. Manchester United is probably back at $11, $10. That's the risk you're incurring with this trade. Understand that can happen. Let's start there. 2, nothing happens for the next 2 or 3 months. Media rumors continue pushing this stock up. I'm looking around an $18 price target on rumors. If this is just media rumors, I'm looking for this to be around an $18 stock. If a buyout occurs at the Forbes value, that is double. That's here. This is Forbes value buyout, right? This is Forbes value buyout is here. And then the rumored buyout of the company is at $6 billion. So that would give us a couple more billion. I think that puts us around 32. That's about 3x what the company is currently trading. Actually, if it's about 3x, it's actually much higher than 32. Let's remove the drawing. 3x is like around 39. Let's put it at 35. Just a guess. This is a potential buyout price here. So these are the levels I am looking for on Manchester United, right? I am looking for these levels on this stock. I'm looking for just rumors to send it to 18. Well, let's also put in the fail. You have to understand that this can fail. Glazers deny rumors. Here's another scenario that we must understand too, right? Glazers deny the rumors tomorrow. The stock's coming back to $10. It's going to come back to $10 relatively quickly. So understand that can happen too. There's a downside to every single trade. Don't get caught only looking at the upside, right? But here's the levels I am looking at for potential if the club does end up getting taken over and we end up making a grip of money in even just a little lotto play of 75 shares that we do have of Manchester United. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Once again, just an idea video, giving you an idea of what can happen. I'm not saying, of course, that any of this will happen. I'm not even saying it's likely. Blah, blah, blah. I'm just giving you my thesis. Hopefully give you all something to chew on for your own ideas. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you did. Hit the red subscribe button if you're new. Make sure you don't miss out on other stock trading videos. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out of this video. I will catch you all in the next one.
See!